May in-auction na naman tayo sa John Pie. I only got this for 67 pounds. Original price is 129 pounds. So with that 67 pounds, delivery is already included. I bid it for 37 pounds. Ta-da! Amoy ano naman? Amoy bago pa naman siya, in fairness. Amoy bago. Bukas na siya, pero ay, it looks brand new. May mga sticker pa. May bagong sticker. Ano pa? So I think medyo bago na siya. Baka old stock to, kaya to in-auction. Ang downside lang talaga with auction is wala na siyang warranty. Pero bihira lang naman natin nagamit ang warranty. Kasama siyang recipe book. With the mug. This one. Medyo madumi. So feeling ko old stock to. And this one. And brush for cleaning. Yun lang. Wala na.